Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the important exam that is going to be happen on 15th August. So Revature exam pattern we are going to discuss in this video, and some of my subscribers received email from Revature that 15th August they have their online assessment. So today we are going to discuss about all of the important topics and syllabus that you should prepare before going to the actual online assessment. As they already mentioned in the email that there will be 6 sections like problem solving, numerical ability, perceptual, and programming and coding challenge question. There will be one, and there will be one SQLite question as well. Okay, so I will going to cover all of the important topics that you should prepare before going to the actual assessment. I will show you only those topics based on that Revature have asked questions on previous exams. Okay, so all of the topics that I have mentioned here, that I make notes here, the Revature have asked questions on these topics. Okay, so don't ignore these topics. These are the very important, otherwise you can miss out any question in your actual assessment. Okay, so let's discuss the problem solving section. So there will be 20 questions, and you can prepare these important topics. I have made the notes here, like speed, distance, and time. You can see 2 questions, and calendar based question you can see one, but there can be more questions. Okay, and clockwise question is also there, and ratio proportion you will see 2 questions at least. And position in a row, like there is a 5 student sitting in a row, you have to find out who is the top left or top right. Okay, based on that you will see a couple of questions there, and at least one you will see. Okay, find out the odd number, you will see series of number, you have to find out the odd number. Code language question will be there, like this word is written as a this word in code, so you have to find out the code for other word. Okay, based on that. Okay, so statement and conclusion question will be there, at least 2 you can prepare, and you can assume there will be 2 questions, and there will be percentage question as well. Data interpretation, there will be 2 questions. Blood relation questions will be there, and replace the question mark from this mathematical question, like you have to replace this question mark with the mathematical sign, so that it will make a 4 here. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And in the problem solving itself, there can be a question like find the total number of square or rectangle. You will see a figure, and you have to find out the total number of square or rectangle. Okay, and there will be one diagram related question in the previous exam. So all of the topics that I have written is actually question faced by the candidate in the last previous exams of Revature. Okay, so make sure you have prepared these 2 topics well. Okay, and there will be one question related to diagram, like you have to choose option based on this diagram, which option describe this diagram well. Okay, and let's discuss about the numerical ability. So there will be 10 questions. Okay, and you can see 2 questions at least in profit and loss based. Okay, price related question will be there, profit probability and combination questions will be there, at least 2. You can prepare a high level ratio question, like let me tell you one question related to this. Like there will be a scenario where there is a metal, where you have to find out the percentage of alloy and zinc or copper. Okay, that kind of question can be there. Okay, and one question you can expect in missing number, you will given a series, and then you have to find out what can be the number on the question mark, so you can prepare that. Okay, I have seen all of the questions of previous exams, but I can show you the exact questions here due to the copyright issue. I hope you can understand these topics are the very important. You have to prepare well for problem solving and numerical ability. Okay, so third section will be perceptual. There will be 10 questions, and all of the 10 questions based on the figure, like there will be 3 figures, and you have to figure out what will be the second fourth figure. Okay, so you can do this very easily, or you can prepare before doing that. Okay, so this website is very good. They did not give me any promotion, but I'm just giving you this because this is very easy to understand for beginners, and you will get everything very sorted manner, and you can easily navigate on this website every topic that I have mentioned here. Okay, so make sure you check out this website, and to prepare, if you don't want to prepare from here, you can prepare from any website whatever you want. And then let's see the fourth section, that is programming section. You will see 15 MCQs based on oops concept or programming. Like oops concept, you can see questions, and constructor based questions are there so much, and method overloading MCQ are there, and algorithm based questions is also there. It is not easy one, that's a high level or intermediate level MCQ are there, okay, based on the construction of spanning tree. This is the actual question you can find out on the internet. Okay, data structure related questions like multi-processing and multitasking MCQ are there. Time complexity based questions are there, okay. You can prepare these MCQs. These are the important for programming section. Okay, let's discuss the coding section. This is the fifth section of this assessment. There will be one question. So I have get two questions here, uh, from different slots. As you can see that there is a one question of coding in one slot, like you have to find out number of read transmission scheduling. So let me tell you what is the question is. A router has a number of transaction entries in the log. The router sends these transaction entries to a server. Each transaction has a transaction ID, transmission accuracy value, okay. So transmission accuracy value varies from 0.1 to 1.0. Find the transaction ID from the log that has to be resent to attain minimum transmission accuracy of 0.5 and above among all transactions. As you can see that this is not a beginner level question, this is an intermediate level question, so you have to prepare well, okay. And there is one string based question on other slots. This is you can say that this one is easy because string questions are pretty easy as compared to the this type of question. So these are the actual questions that has been faced by the candidate on different slots. And let's discuss about the this is also one question in third slot. Like write a program to convert the given code to a newer method of pointer access. Here you can see the question. You can find out on the internet if you can get any related question to that. Otherwise you can prepare other questions, okay. And let me show you a couple of SQLite questions that has been asked by Revature in previous slots or examinations. So this is the one SQL related question. Write a query to generate report of artist that contain the name of the artist and respected artist's ID. So you will given in 2 or 3 tables where you have to write a query as per the given scenarios, okay. And second question that is asked by Revature in different slot. Write a query to select department that have at least 3 employees in it. You have to display the department name, employee count, name of the employee specified in the department, separated by comma. So the report should contain the name of the department that contain at least 3 employees, okay. This is also an actual question that has been asked in the Revature exam. So I hope I have cleared your doubts, what type of question they can ask and what all syllabus you have to prepare before going to the actual exam. And if you are beginner in problem solving and numerical ability or perceptual, you can go to this website. You can prepare well. Everything is very easy and well mannered and well structured. You can easily prepare a little bit, okay. And for coding and SQLite, I'm not sure what is going to be asked in later future exams in Revature or 15th August, but these are the actual questions that has been asked in previous exams, so you can prepare these questions as well. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video help you little bit, and thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe for later updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.